Hello guys, welcome back to another video on Dylan Does Gaming. In this video, I'm going to be telling you on how to make this GitHub page into a jar file so that you can actually make a mod out of it. So this is when they don't have a release of the mod yet, but you still want to use the mod. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is go to git download, GITDOWNLAD, and just put that in your search bar. Now you're gonna go and you're gonna click on where it says git-downloads, and then the correct link should say git-scm.com/downloads. And then, depending on your operating device, you're going to click Mac, Linux, or Windows. I have Windows. And you're going to want to click here where it says click here to download. Once it's downloaded, it should look like this in your download section on your files. Go ahead and double click on that to run it, or right click and click open. And it's going to take a while to install, but just keep clicking through it. And once you've properly installed it, you can go to the next step. Okay, so the next thing you're going to need to do is you're going to go to a GitHub page. So this is a mod that I'm just going to download. It doesn't have to be this mod, it can work for any mod. So I'm going to go download by clicking on code right here and clicking download zip. And it's going to download a zip file for me. Now, if you watched my previous video where we edited the files, you don't have to download this again. Just use the files that you used last time. But if you didn't do that, go ahead and take the zip file and extract it. And then go ahead and drag this into downloads. Okay, and you should be done. You can go ahead and delete the zip file. Okay, and now we're going to go on to the next step. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to go into here on your search bar, and you're going to need to go search up command prompt, and you're going to click on the thing that has system underneath it, and then you're going to click open. Now you're going to type in cd, and you're going to go back to your files, double click on the file, and you're going to click on this address bar up here, and then click Control-C to copy. Then go back into the command prompt, hit space, and click Control-V and paste down your directory right here. Now this should take you to your file in command prompt. And what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to run a command, Gradle W space build. And it will take a little bit, but once this thing says 100%, it should be good. So keep this open and wait for it to get to 100%. Okay, so now that it says build successful, I can close this out. And you'll notice a few new folders, but the main folder that's important is the build folder. And there might be a lot of these things, you might be confused, but what has the jar file is the libs. And in this libs folder, you have everything be gone, which is really could be just any mod. This is just the name of the mod that was in the properties section. Or it was really how it was set up to be compiled into a jar. But yeah, this is the jar file that has the mod in it. So you could go to .minecraft, go to mods, and put that in there. Again, that's your mod folder, the build folder, and then libs, and that's where your jar file should be, and that's the Minecraft mod file. Okay. You should be pretty good. If you're wanting to delete this after you've moved your jar file over, you might notice that you can't delete it, but there is a really easy way to just type Control-Alt-Delete and click on Task Manager. and you should see Java TM platform SE binary. And you're just going to click on that and press in task. And then you should be able to delete the folder. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Now that you know how to compile a jar file. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this kind of content, so I'll know to post this in the future, and you'll also get notified, about this content. Anyways, see you guys in the next video. Bye.